All right, here we are on the Venture IP login page, and this is going to be the first time that you log in and see your website there. So pop in your details from the cart process that you used, and when you log in, you're going to see the website that you've just purchased here. Now yours might say pending. It's been 24 hours since I purchased this, so it says active. The reason yours might say pending is because there's some automatic things going on in the background when Venture IP set up your hosting. It usually only takes 10 minutes or so, and you've got access to your web host, and you'll be able to do everything that pretty much immediately that I'm showing you here today. So you'll see your domain here. You've got domain names here. You could go in the future and purchase more domains or purchase more web hosting for those domains. We're going to jump across into web hosting. And the first thing that we're going to do before we even install WordPress is install an SSL, or make sure that we at least trigger that process. So we're in web hosting. It looks similar to the domain names. And all we're going to do here is go manage, auto SSL, and it says installed, but yours will have a little green button here that says start the process or something similar. Just click that. Now it happens by default, but when you click it, it actually just starts it a little bit quicker, I find, when I'm setting up websites. Usually it's only an hour or so before that is installed. Now the reason you want to install that is just as a trust signal to your buyers or your customers. It would be a necessary requirement if you're running an e-commerce store and managing payments on your own website. In this case, we're going to be using, in these examples, we're going to be using PayPal or some other method to handle the payments. So technically, I think legally, you probably don't need the HTTPS, but it's a good thing to have on all websites now. And as you can see, it's an automatic process and it's incredibly easy to do. So there's no good reason not to do it. That's all there is for the SSL. In the next video, we're going to start running through actually installing WordPress software on your host server, so we can then get on with building a website.